Brother Jason and sister Sabrina, see, we bring this company, they are cleaning very well. See, there's people inside cleaning very well. They are cleaning, see, I bring a company who's cleaning very well. We put these curtains, it's look really beautiful. The curtains, wow. I didn't believe the curtains will be like this. It's look really nice curtain. See this curtain? Very beautiful. All the people they are cleaning here, cleaning very well. And they clean the full board. Everything being cleaned. You know, nobody believe in the market really. They are saying, wow. Everybody coming and asking us who's making. See, everybody comes, stop. All the people stopping, just they asking. Wow, they're asking what this nice shop. Everybody ask. I